Welcome to BTFX Capital's second funder trader interview. I'm Brendan Tontadonati, CEO and founder of BTFX Capital, and we have Shaun here, a funder trader with us who has done over $8,400 withdrawal on his first month of the funded account. So let's get right into it. Shaun, congratulations on successfully completing not only one, but two 200K single phase challenges with BTFX Capital and your impressive withdrawal. Can you share with us your overall trading strategy and approach that led to this success?
Yeah, thanks, Brendan. Yeah, I'm a swing trader. So basically through a few years of journaling and working out what works and what doesn't work, I've come up with a strategy that's profitable. And yeah, I don't trade very often. I've only traded 5 times in the last 2 months. 3 of them are winners. So that's all I need for a winning strategy.
Yes, that's awesome. It's just showing, and this is what I try to educate with BT trading, the more you trade is the more you risk. So it's good to see how you wait for the correct setup. So you got the discipline and it's paid off, which is awesome.
Yeah, thanks.
So what motivated you to pursue trading as a career?
Well, I work full time in construction, so I know that it's pretty hard on the body. So I've always been looking for my way to get out of it, and a friend introduced me to this, and I just followed the path, and it led me here.
That's awesome. Can you walk us through a little bit about your risk management strategy?
Yeah, so I'm pretty confident in my trades now. I wait for all the confirmations. I don't look for trades that aren't there. I don't push for anything. I just wait for the trades to come to me. And I also twin trade. So basically, I've found out through journaling that 80% of my trades all do a 1-to-1. So I always take profits at a 1-to-1, and then I set the rest of my overall target.
Really? Yeah, you don't marry your trading entry.
Yeah, that's it.
Great. How do you ensure that you are consistently managing risk in your trades? I mean, you pretty much answered that by closing half of your percent, and you did the same with the prop firm challenges, 1-to-1, close 50%.
Yeah, always.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's just stay consistent, really. Yeah.
Okay. Now, what about drawdowns? How do you handle any periods where you're seeing a bit of underperformance?
That is a hard thing, and it takes you a few years to get there. But I just take emotion out of trading. Well, I try and take emotion out of trading. I do my best. That comes with experience, I guess. And it's, as you've taught me before, it's to try and get that mechanical mindset. As I say, if I see all my confirmations, I'll take the trade. And even when I take those losses and all my confirmations are ticked, I'm okay with that too.
Yeah, that's awesome. What about psychological strategies or routines do you implement to try and stay focused and maintain a positive mindset?
Yeah, that's a fair point. I'm on I do a pretty strict routine. Like I work full time, go to the gym after to clear my head, and I only trade London.
So that's a big misconception we see as well, that you can't trade and work full time. And you work 40-hour weeks.
Yeah, and plus, and I'm only on the charts, 2 hours max, and that's not even I'm just monitoring. I'll give a good hour, and then I'll set my alarms, and I'm just monitoring.
Yeah, that's so good. I think a lot of people will get a motivation to get into trading just hearing that alone. So that's really important. Do you have any favorite Forex pairs or tools that you use?
I don't use any tools as such, maybe the fib retracement. I have about 12 pairs that I look at, and I just watch to see what's the best price action. And yeah, I'll try and trade those ones if it comes to me.
Okay. And what resources or educational companies have you found most helpful in developing your trading skills and knowledge?
Yeah, so I've been with BT, your
BT trading
education company. Yeah, sorry, for 2 years now, and yeah, from the start, you guided me to a strategy that works, and it was very clear from the start. And then for me, through back testing, yeah, that's what's got me here today.
That's great. And just something I know a lot of traders like to hear from funded traders. Is there any kind of fundamental sources that you rely on or you keep an eye on daily?
Yeah, well, I don't trade fundamentals at all, just the technicals. But BTFX do send out automatic notifications to say when the high impact news are on, so I know when to kind of stay away, because I don't, I just try and stay away from high impact news.
Yeah, perfect. And just got a couple more questions for you. What do you believe sets you apart from other traders, and how do you think this has contributed to your success in the prop firm challenge?
I think I'm patient, and I think it's experience too. Like, I've just been persistent for the last 2 years, and you just need to experience it. You can't teach it. You can't teach experience, so you just got to do it yourself.
Yep.
Ride the highs and lows, and yeah, stay patient and don't force trades.
Yeah, that's awesome. And now that you're successfully completed 2 challenges and made a significant withdrawal, so now you've got a 400K combined, total capital. What are your future goals and aspirations as a professional trader?
For now, I just want to keep it consistent. I want to keep taking, hopefully, monthly withdrawals if I can. And one day the overall goal is to do this full time. I'd love to do that, but for now, I'm not going to quit my job, because it's all working for me. Everything's working, so I'm just going to keep it the same.
One plus, I'm not too sure if you're aware, but because you've done your first withdrawal, all future withdrawals are now bi-weekly.
Oh, beauty.
Yeah, so that's a bonus.
Nice.
Yeah, and just one last question. Can you give any advice on upcoming traders or people that want to get into it, something that could help them in their journey to getting funded?
Just stay consistent. Like, I've been through the highs and the lows, and I just feel like I've had times that I've wanted to quit, and I've had my brother or other people just help me, push me through, and sometimes the trading conditions aren't great, and you just gotta, like, see it through. Just keep it consistent and be patient and don't push trades. That's my advice, I'd say.
And I think that's very important to listen to, because we see so many traders, especially in BT trading, where they come in and they quit and they just don't realize they're that one step away from making a withdrawal, so or getting funded. So no, thank you so much for jumping on and having a chat with me, Shaun. It was really nice. I mean, I've met you in Melbourne when we do trade nights with BT trading, but it's always good to catch up.
Thanks for your time, Brendan. Cheers.
No worries, mate. All right, mate. All the